Hello, my name is Sandeep and today we are going to see the third experiment in use case lab, that is sequence diagram. And in sequence diagram we have different things like object, actor, lifeline, activation, message and self message, and there are many other things. First we'll see what is a sequence diagram. It is a one type of interaction diagram that is used to describe some of the interactions among different elements in a model. Like we have object, so we can create different objects, and then we also have a lifeline, that is the dotted lines connecting each other objects. And then we have an actor, like actor is the role name, and then lifeline, which I already told you. Then we have activation modeled as rectangular boxes on the lifeline. This indicates the performance of an action. And then message, we have the arrow, and self message, that is a loop, and then recursive messages and many other things. First let's check out how it would be. This is a use case. This is a sequence diagram, and in this sequence diagram, here I have made a use case for human resource management system, and let's see how it is. Yeah, this is the use case which I have made. And here on the left, if you see in the star UML, we have options like object, stimulus, self stimulus, combined fragment, interaction operand, and so on. First, this one is called as object. So we have different objects here like user, login, HR database, and HR admin. And then we have lifelines like the dotted lines. And then from one lifeline to other lifeline of different objects, we need to connect using stimulus. So here from user object to login object, I have connected it as login. So the first step here is from user. The user will be entered into the login page, and then after login, it redirects him to the HR database where he has to authenticate. And after that, the account should be validated. That is step 3. And if it is a valid account, then it turns the web page to the user, and then it shows a pop-up like yes, he is a valid user and he can go for the next steps. And we also have something called HR admin object, which will be used in the further cases. And the fifth step which I have given is apply for salary increment. This is a function, and here it directly gets into the HR database. And in HR database we also have different things like a stimulus and a self stimulus option, and also the other things which I have shown you here, that is recursive messages and self messages. The activation is a model that in the rectangular boxes, and it has a lifeline which indicates the performance of the action. So these things in the step 6 will be sent a request to the HR admin, and then HR admin gets back to the database using the progress, and after that he sends the details of the progress to the admin again, and then there will be an approval in the request, and finally the user gets the confirmation message, that is step 10. And then we also have the other scenario like applying for a leave. And here we can see the user applies for a leave, and it directly goes to the HR database and registers there. And then after this process, the HR admin should check the pending leaves and approve it. So after checking, he may approve or reject the leave. This is the other scenario. So all these things happening in a sequence manner, and it depends on the time. So the lifelines are given here. So this is all about sequence diagram for a human resource uh, management. Thank you.